The Turning Point, How One Decision Can Change Your Life. Introduction. What if I told you that one decision could change everything? This is the story of Ethan Walker, a man who went from struggling in life to achieving unstoppable success, all because he made one powerful choice. Scene 1, The Life of Regret. Ethan had dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. But instead, he was stuck in a 9-to-5 job that drained his energy. Every night, he asked himself, is this all life has to offer? One evening, after a long day at work, he met his old friend Ryan, who had become a successful business owner. Ethan asked, how did you do it? Ryan's response was simple, I stopped waiting and started doing. Those words echoed in Ethan's mind all night. He realized that success wasn't about waiting for the perfect moment, it was about creating it. Scene 2, Taking the First Step. The next morning, Ethan made a decision, he would take action. He started waking up at 5 a.m., reading books on personal growth, and learning about entrepreneurship. But soon, challenges appeared. Doubts whispered in his mind, what if I fail? What if people laugh at me? Then, he read a powerful quote, doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. That day, he made a promise to himself, he would never let fear stop him. Scene 3, Struggles and Setbacks. Ethan started a side business. But for the first 3 months, he made zero profit. He felt like a failure. One night, he was about to quit when he watched an interview of a billionaire who said, success is just on the other side of persistence. That was the push he needed. Instead of quitting, he refined his strategy and kept going. And then, everything changed. Scene 4, The Breakthrough Moment. One of Ethan's social media posts went viral. Within weeks, he started getting clients, followers, and recognition. Within a year, he had left his job and was running a 6-figure business. He had finally unlocked his potential. Scene 5, The Lesson of Success. Ethan's story proves that success isn't about prohibited waiting for the perfect moment. Prohibited having all the answers. Prohibited being free from fear. It's about checkmark taking action before you're ready. Checkmark learning from failure. Checkmark never giving up. Conclusion. Your turning point. You have 2 choices right now. Keycap 1, stay where you are. Keycap 2, take action and create the life you deserve. Which one will you choose? Right finger subscribe to Success Mindset and start your journey today.